What's good, everybody? My name is Noor, and welcome to my channel.
See how to query your table. We have created one table, that was the table name was the books, and we have to execute it completely. So now you can see on the message screen, it's the table name. So there are several names for different book like Sapiens, Think and Grow, and XYZ. So to query the table, we'll query in a way that, for suppose, one of my friend comes to my house and says me like, look, no, I want your favorite book, that is Think and Grow Rich. I said okay. So I have to put it from the shelf and give it to him. So now I have to think in a way that I'm in the SQL server. So I have to type a query for it. So to plug that Think and Grow Rich book from my shelf, I have to write this query first, that select all from books. Now we are adding in the where clause. Now here I'll tell you friends that the main function of this where clause is to fetch the conditional data from your rows. It is also used with update and delete statement to fetch that Think and Grow Rich book from my bookshelf. So I have to type the query in a way that select all from books, that is our table name. Now we are typing in the where clause. Let me tell you friends that the main motive of this where clause is to fetch the conditional data from the rows. So I'm typing, I need Think and Grow Rich where book name. Yes, as you can see on the suggestion, so it's where book name is equals to Think and Grow Rich. Okay, I'll execute it, but you can see on the screen that it is giving me an error. Now there is just one little mistake we have made over here. Let me tell you that if you can remember that on the previous video, I've told you that I have given this book name a data type as text. So for the to fetch up the text from the data, the is equal operator does not work. So we have to add it, omit it, and type the like command. Now we'll execute it. Okay, so you can see on my screen that Think and Grow Rich has been successfully fetched from the table. Okay, now I'll remove this query, select now I'll remove this query and execute this one again for my complete table. Now I can see that on my screen that my shelf number is not in order. If I am to, put in all of my box, so I have to, roam in between the shelves. So to order the shelves, we have to type the query, that is again select all from books, order by shelf. So now you can see on my screen that it is now ordered by shelf. So it's in number.
So that's it about today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.